Hi guys, hello and welcome to another Microsoft Word tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn about creating independent columns in Microsoft Word. The question that came on the channel was, I want to make two independent columns for the whole document. Two separate independent columns for the entire document, not like typically the way it is done in Microsoft Word. For example, this is how it's done in Microsoft Word. So if I want to select all the content, which is 3 pages long, and I go to the Layout tab, and I go to Columns, and I say I want to split this into two columns, notice Adobe brings Product Analytics. First, that goes all the way through. Only then the iPhone 15 comes, and then that goes all the way through. The question is that I want Adobe brings Product Analytics to be in the first column throughout the document. And iPhone 15 exclusive confirms Stunning Apple Design Decision to be in the second column all the way through. One way to solve this problem would be to create a table. So tables can be inserted by clicking the Insert tab, go to the table, and I will click 2 columns, 1 row. I will grab everything related to Adobe all the way through the process, cut it out, and paste it in the first column. Then anything related to Apple, I will just cut it out and paste in the second column. And as you can see, this way, the first column is only about Adobe. The second column is about the iPhone 15. Now, if you want to leave it like this, that's well and good. Or if you want to modify this, you can also modify this. For example, you can go to the table design, and then you can choose if you want to have any kind of banded rows, columns, if you want any kind of shading, if you want, you can go under borders and you can basically say no border. And notice it looks like a column. If you want to add borders, you have a choice, style, provided then you choose whatever kind of borders you want. So this way you can turn this table into a column-like look and feel and have something that runs through the length of the entire page. I hope this answers the question. Let me know if you have any other questions. Till next video, bye-bye.